Welcome to Glowbom. In this video, we will be creating an astronomical journal. Choose Web and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter the text. Use HTML code to center it, or, for example, to add a picture. Enter the thumbnail URL. Enter the page name. Press the Save button to save the changes. Press the plus button to add a new page. Open the settings to change the app color. Great. Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting site. You can use any hosting service you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright, there we have it. Now let's open the link and test our astronomical journal. The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share, and add to home screen. Here you can change the app name. Excellent. Now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app. Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.